Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing off our discussion with respect to the question pertaining to the quant section of the paper. So here in this particular video we'll be focusing on the series kind of question or the missing element from a series kind of questions. Okay. So having said that, what we'll be doing is if we talk generally about the quants paper, so it was more or less of this expected sort only. So what we have is basically in this video we'll focus on a particular kind of question so that we can get a general idea on how to go about solving the same. So let's focus on the question at hand. What will come in place of question mark in the following number series? Okay. So let's focus on question mark. The series given is 9, 19, 40, 83, question mark 345 and 696. Okay. So let's write the series. We have 9, we have 19, we have 40, we have 83, we have a dash, say I'm representing the question word dash, 345 and 696. Okay. Now we need to find what would come in the place of a dash. So 9 to 19. So as you can see, these things rises exponentially. So what we can do is basically we can try our hands out on the multiplication and or addition operation. So let's start off with multiplication. So 19. How can from 9 how can we attain 19? So what we can do is 9 into 2 plus 1 19, 9 to 18 plus 1 19, from 19 to 40 into 2 plus 2 9 to 38 plus 2. Yes, things are falling in a sequence. Again 4 into 2 plus 3 80. Okay, from here to here we can do into 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2 being 166 plus 4 170. Okay, from 172 into 2 plus 5 340 345. Yes, so 170 is our answer. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So with that said, let's move ahead to the next question. So say 42 we have 980 484 236 112 50 dash and 35. Okay, so here we can see this series is basically exponentially decreasing in nature. Okay, so it's exponentially 980, okay, 980. So 980 by 2 would actually be if we go 980 by 2 it would come out to be 400. So how can we come about using all this? Okay, 180 minus 6. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me divide this 980 by 2. Okay, so if you divide this by 2, to 2 4 ja 18, 2 4 ja 8, 9 ja 10, and it comes out to be 490. 490 to 484. Let me subtract 6 from this. Okay, 490 minus 6, 484. Okay, let's go from here. Let's see whether the same patterns follows or not. Divided by 2, 242, 242 minus 6, 236. Yes, satisfies. Again 118 divided by, if we divide by 2, 118 minus 6, 1 by 2. Okay, divided by 2, 56 minus 6, 50, divided by 2, 25 minus 6, 19. Okay, it comes out to be 19. Again if we go, it's 3.5, right? By 2 it's 9.5 minus 6, 3.5. Yes, so 19 is our answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to you as well how we came about with the solution of the same. All we had to do was divided by 2 and minus 6. Let's move to question number 43. 43 is 8, 9, 20, 63, 256, 1285 and question mark. So again we can see this is increasing exponentially. So let's see let's try hands on multiplication and division. So multiplying 8 means 8 into 1 plus 1, okay. 9 into 2 plus 2, okay, satisfied. 20 into 3 plus 3, okay, yes, 63. Into 4 plus 4, into 4 being 12, so 24, 256, 252 plus 4, 256, okay. So far this is satisfying. Into 5 plus 5, 30, 3, 15, 18, 10, 12 plus 5, 1285. Yes, it satisfies. So last one would simply be into 6 plus 6. So 0. So what can we have over here? 7716. Okay, that would be the answer in case of this particular series. So 7716, option 3 is our answer for question number 43. Okay, let's move to question number 44. 44 being 1015, 508, 255, 129, 66.5 dash and 20.875. okay, so 50105. So this will simply be, if it again it decreases exponentially. So let's try and divide this by 2. If we divide this by 2, it would come out to be 507, 507.5 plus 0.5. okay, so divided by 2 plus 0.5. okay, let's divide this by 2 again. If we divide this by 2, so 210, 2, so 1, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, that is 2 to 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, things are coming in some sort of a sequence. Let's go through this. Divide by 2, so 12, 1, 7.5 plus 1.5. okay, yeah, it falls into sequence. Plus 1.5, this will be divide by 2, it will simply come out as 64.5 plus 2, 66.5. okay, yes, divided by 2 plus 2, again divided by 2 plus 2.5. if we go through this, so 30.5 plus 2.5 we go, so this will be 35.75. okay, 35.75. so let's try and same operation here. Divided by 2 plus 3, so if we go through the same, divided to 17.5 plus 3, 825. yes, it satisfies the equation. So option 4, 35.75 is our answer for number 44. okay, and now lastly let's take a look at 45 here. 7, 18 dash 106, 183 and 82. okay, so okay, how can we go about solving the same? How can we go about solving the same? Let's see. What can we do over here? Okay, what can be done here is, okay, so this number are not increasing or decreasing exponentially because the period is actually less. So let's go with plus minus here, say plus 11. okay, we don't know how, so here let's take a look. 56, right? So suppose we add 77. okay, so we can add 77 over here. Here to here, what we can do is we can add, it is 99. okay, so we see a pattern. 77, 99. 11. So here should be one value and here should be one value. So odd multiples of 11, you can see. So this should be 33. This should be 55. So 18 plus 33 comes out to be 51. Yes, it satisfies the equation. All the pattern here. Odd multiples of 11. So 51 is our answer. So I hope all these questions, all the approaches we have taken towards solving the same are clear to you. So in case you have any kind of doubt, I suggest you go through all the patterns that we have discussed in this question in general, so that you can get a general idea on the approaches involved towards solving the same. And in case you want to know get the complete solution of the paper, you kindly contact us with from all the modes pertaining to our website, our email ID and our phone numbers, be it through your call, WhatsApp or text messages that are provided in the description section of the video as well, so that you can get complete access to the paper and complete solution of the same as well. Having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can come about with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. Having said that, I'd like to sign out. Thank you so much.